I still remember the day I joined BDS. With the admission form in my hand, I was entering into my college with a lot of excitement, a lot of fear, and a big question mark of what is going to happen next. At that point in time, I just wanted my future self to come in a time machine and whisper some wisdom on how to survive my BDS days. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rishali and this is a small letter to my younger self on how to survive BDS. It's not that I regret or something, but if I had known these things earlier, my BDS life would have been much easier. It would have helped me a lot and I hope this will help you too. So let's get into the video. First is to maintain a good work-life balance. When I was in college, I was more oriented towards the academic side. I always wanted to study, complete my assignment, prepare for my upcoming viva or write a journal. And whenever I took time for myself, I used to feel so guilty after that कि इतने टाइम में एक और चैप्टर हो जाता या इतने टाइम में कुछ थोड़ा और लिख लेती, कुछ और थोड़ा प्रिपेयर कर लेती. So this loop continued to happen. And because of this, I missed out on a lot of family function. I missed so many festivals. I missed out going out with my friends. Basically, I missed out on enjoying my life. Don't get me wrong, academics is equally important. But at that point, I needed to prioritize on what is important at that particular point of time. I am not saying that you have to chill 3 to 4 days before exam. It's just that you need to prioritize things. And when I look back now, it was not at all necessary. I was very poor at managing time. I was very poor at prioritizing things. I always weighed one over the another, which made me miss out on lot of things. And second is to enjoy your college life to maximum. This synchronizes with the first point of work-life balance. When I was in my first, second and third year, I never participated in any fest or any college event or any extracurricular activities. But when I was in my final year, my friend pointed out on one of my talents. And when I participated in that, I won a prize. So we usually underestimate ourselves and stop discovering on what we are good at. And at this time, I became more close to my classmates. I made good friends. I mingled with my college seniors, my juniors, and this was like one of the best days I had in my college. So I just want to say that get out there, make friends, because this time is something you are going to remember throughout your life. You are not going to relive these moments again. You are not going to get the college back life. So make maximum of it. Studies is important, but living your life is equally important. And these friends are going to stay with you lifelong. I know it might be difficult in the beginning to find your people, but it's always a trial and error thing. As you move forward in your journey, you will definitely find your people. So just get out there and make maximum of your college life. You're not going to get this again. Next is to give equal importance to preclinical work. I know when you are working in Prosto Lab, you feel like, अरे यार ये हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? ये तो गौंडी का काम है. I don't like doing this. So be it teeth arrangement, making class to cavity preparation, or mixing that alginate, it is all going to reward you at the end. Because when I was in my final year, it was the COVID time and we missed out a lot of preclinical classes on prawn preparation. And when I entered the clinical, I struggled a lot with that. Because if you have not done the preclinicals, you can't directly jump in and do it on the patients. So if you are missing out on your preclinicals, you are going to have tough times during your clinicals. And the more you practice during your preclinicals, your patients are going to thank you for that. So the more you practice, the more easier will be your clinical time. So before I go to the next point, don't forget to comment on what wisdom would you whisper to your younger self when you were starting the BDS. And coming to the fourth point, medical subjects are equally important. Because when a patient comes to you, he comes as a whole. It's not like you are taking out the teeth, treating it and putting it back. Most of them think like, अरे ये तो medical subjects हैं, हम तो MBBS doctor नहीं हैं, क्या करेंगे ये सब लेके? We are just dentist. We are going to treat the teeth. So this is not all that important. बहुत लोगों को ऐसा लगता है, but it is not true. It's very important to know how body works, how disease develop, how drugs interacts, because this is what differentiates a good dentist from a great dentist. Because when the patient comes in, he might have the medical condition, he might say you that he is under some medications, so you should know what is that condition, what medication is he taking, and how is it going to affect your dental treatment, what medicines to give, what not to give, how the drugs are going to interact with each other, because one small mistake is going to cost you in a bigger way. So knowing the basics is very much important. So be it clinicals or be it MDS preparation, medical subjects are equally important, because even during the NEET MDS preparation, medical subjects are going to carry equal weightage. So you can't ignore this and just give importance to one. Both need to be well balanced. So if you don't give it equal importance now, it is going to haunt you later. Next is to correlate subjects with one another. This is something I learned much later in my career. So try to connect dots with one another, because it is like a big puzzle. Each subject is like a single piece, and when you join it together, it is going to give you a bigger picture. Because you can't study oral surgery without knowing anatomy, and how oral histology is related to periodontal disease, and how does biochemistry influence the drug reaction, and how oral medicine is just the extension of oral pathology. And when you do so, this will make you understand all these subjects more deeper, and this will not only help you in your studies, but it is also going to help you a lot in your clinicals. So more you see the connection, the deeper your understanding will be. So this is something I wanted to tell my younger self. If I had known all this before, my BDS days would have been much better. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because more such BDS survival tips are on your way.